Don't worry, you're in good hands. Now talking about safety, if you look at the back of this boat, we got some life jackets and life rings. And on top of the boat, we got a life raft. But don't worry, we never used this in the history of our company, and I do not want to start today. And for this, please keep all parts of your body inside the boat and don't step on the stairs. Now that being said, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. Let's get started by looking to the right. This is the beautiful harborfront, located in the shores of Lake Ontario. As you can see, it's the perfect place to go for a walk, to explore, ride a bike. But it wasn't always this way. Back in the 1970s, it was heavily industrialized. So all you can see here were factories, warehouses, and a lot of pollution. Then in 1976, you can see how they make their art and support the local art by buying it. But back in the days, this building used to supply refrigeration, being the companion building to the power plant, both supplying refrigeration and power to support the Queensquay terminal. Now all this area here, it's a space to learn through art and culture. You find this Harborfront Center stage. In here we host many free events. So we got free movie nights every Wednesday, free yoga classes every Friday, free concerts, free dances, festival, hot and spicy festival, the vegan festival, and many more. And it took about 10 years to clean the inside of this building. Now we can enjoy a contemporary art gallery inside. It's open from Tuesdays to Sundays, so I really recommend you checking that out. It's completely free. So you got some free air conditioner and free art. And if you didn't like it, you didn't pay.
Around the world I've searched for you. I travel alone when hope was gone to keep a rendezvous. I knew somewhere, sometime, somehow, you look at me and I will see the smile you're smiling now. It might have been in County Down or in New York, in gay Paris, or even London town. No more would I go around the world, for I have found my world in you. It might have been in County Down, or in New York, in gay Paris, or even London town. No more would I go around the world, for I have found my world in